Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty roasted brinjal curry. Come, let's go to the video. Quantity of the ingredients are in the description box. Sambar dal and gram dal. Soak it for half an hour. Put it in a pressure cooker. Now add garlic slices, little bit of turmeric and boil it well. In the meantime, we have to cut brinjal, split some chillies, slice some garlic, cut onion, also cut 2 tomatoes. Now take a vessel and put it on your stove. The vessel is hot and pour a little bit of coconut oil. See, the oil is getting heated. Now add mustard. See, the mustard is spluttering. Now we have to add some pepper, cumin. Use a lid so that the oil does not sprinkle around. Now add sliced garlics and split chillies. Also add curry leaves and give it a good mix. Now add the chopped onion. Stir the onion until golden brown. Later, after a few minutes, add the tomatoes and stir them too. Now I am getting a good flavor of all these stouted ingredients. So now it's time to add the brinjal and let the brinjal get cooked. Add turmeric powder, salt and mix it well. Now you can put the lid and close it well so that the brinjal is cooked. Now add coriander powder, chilli powder and some fennel powder. Mix it well. A little bit of cumin powder. Mix it well. See how it looks. It looks so yummy. And now put a lid again and let it get cooked well. After a few minutes, the brinjal is cooked and now we can add the dal. Here I am adding the dal. Mix it well and it's ready to serve. Hey guys, if you like this video, like, comment and share with family and friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you get notified on your phone when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Until next, take care. Bye bye.